So guys, this is the finished final product. So you got it in the 2-inch hole right there. I think I might pop it up one because I think I hear it rubbing on the fender, which I don't know why, but might have to adjust the shocks or the springs or whatever. Look at that. Yes, sir. I ain't even take a comparison picture at first, but hope y'all like the video. Catch y'all later. My bad, y'all. I got interrupted, but this is just what we doing here. It's gonna sit like that. Let's go ahead and get the other one started as well. So this kit, like on the website, well, Amazon, the description, whatever, it says that unless you running some serious fabrication, you don't want to use the lowest setting, like setting 3, because what I've seen is gonna put a hole in your saddlebag. Oh no, not my socket. But yeah, we're gonna get back, because I mean it's just pretty self-explanatory. So we're gonna get back after we finish that and that. So y'all. So what it looks like it wants us to do is pop the 2 top ones and replace them with the lower ones, because that bracket's gonna bump it out. I wouldn't say a huge ton, but a fair amount. So there we go. I'm gonna keep it with the same hardware and stuff like that. Same washer, lock washer. Same thing, just we're not plugging anything in, but kind of is plug and play. Uh-oh, a little scratching right there. Something rubbing? Better not be. Now would be the perfect time to just look at what I got myself into when I got this. I don't know, but next side. Same thing. Out with the old and with the new. Oh my gosh. We need this first. See if we can put it up right. One hand. Oh yeah, we don't need no cameraman around here. This side down. There we go. See? Right back into the old factory spot. Oops. Started in by hand first. Now we want to get those lowers. Let me just get both out, set them out, so I can see what the next step is. I didn't realize how cheap, or affordable, I should say, the lowering kits are. I'm glad this one's coming off, because this one's going to get stripped. I already know it. By the way, it didn't want to come off. I already knew that was going to be my best friend. Yeah. Like I said, I don't have a motorcycle jack, which, you know, would be cool to have something supporting it. Yeah. Don't be like me, guys. Is this fucking cracked? Don't be like me. Guess I can get those through a little bit. Not all the way, just close that gap up a little bit, you know? So YouTube, we got all 4 bolts loose. You know, you can never do anything without there being just one. That one down there was a pain. I had to re-drop it and redo it and shit. And you see that? Yeah, this thing getting a whole new stretch fenders and shit, but we about to get into these now. I open it up. Something like that. I'm trying to do this with one hand, forgive me. I didn't order it from a Nasty Hog or an Advan Black or anything like that, because I mean, honestly, it's the same piece of metal that they're giving to you. I'm looking for a blade real quick. Yeah, as I was saying, it's the same piece of metal, same weld, probably a different finish. That's it. But you're really just paying for the name. Yeah, I actually haven't opened this up yet. I probably should have done that first. Ooh. There we go. And I'm gonna no. So we got some hardware. Probably got some, should have got some Loctite, but oh well. I'm gonna put the phone down first. No, I don't have to. I might have to, I lied. But yes, these are, this is the lowering kit, I should say. I picked this one specifically and not any of the other ones. I got it from Amazon, by the way, but this one had a painted finish, unlike the matte finish. And preserve it longer from rusting, I just go ahead and got the painted version, you know. But if you look at anywhere, anything, it's the same piece of metal, same drop shackle you'll be getting. But let's get on to the bike side of things. YouTube, so you see we got the bags off. She's looking like a soft tail now. Based upon my understanding, the only thing we're doing is loosening this, and the bracket goes right here. I'm just gonna drop it, make it sit a little bit lower. Same thing on both sides, as y'all can see. So, I'm gonna get my socket and we're gonna get to work. What's good, YouTube? Velhy up. Told you I was gonna bring y'all another video, some more content. Today, we got some Harley content for the Harley. Lowering kit came in today. We about to drop it a cool 2 inches. And I'm not just doing this any other way. I'm about to do it my way, the rigged way or whatever, because I don't have an actual motorcycle jack. So I'm about to be thugging it with the car jack. See how this goes. So I don't know how I'm gonna hold the camera and stuff like that. I guess I'll just show y'all the steps. But first thing I'm gonna do is we're gonna get the bags off, and I'll see y'all after that.